This is the era of artificial intelligence. People are digitally literate and digitally vigilant. In this era, many things have been changed. So, learning English communication skills is still extremely valuable in the age of AI. In fact, AI has increased the importance of communication skills rather than reducing it. Why English communication skill still matter? Many students ask this question to me. So in this video I'm going to tell you about importance of English communication skills in this AI era. If AI can translate languages, write emails, create presentation and draft reports, then why should I spend time on learning English? This is the question which is being asked by the students. The answer is quite simple. AI can generate words, but it cannot replace your ability to think, to communicate, to persuade, to lead, and build relationship. AI can write, but you must communicate. Imagine a job interview. AI cannot attend the interview for you. You must introduce yourself confidently, answer questions clearly, and explain your achievement, express your views and ideas, and interact professionally with your interviewer. Strong English communication skills help you to perform effectively in interviews, meetings, and presentations. Career growth depends on communication. Many professionals are technically skilled but struggle to advance business because they cannot communicate their ideas effectively. Organizations often promote people who can speak confidently, present their ideas clearly, lead the teams, and communicate with the clients effectively, and they can negotiate effectively. Communication can often comes the bridge between technical expertise and leadership roles. English is the global language of business. Many international companies use English for meetings, reports, emails, documentation, training, customer communications, and many other more activities are being taken place in English language. So, English spoken persons are very much required for the economy. These days, this is the fast growing economy, and skilled communication experts in English language are very much required for the betterment of the companies and for the progress of the companies. Even you can see the most of the companies are operating globally, and English is often common use language across the teams. Students with strong English skills can access more global opportunities. AI work better than you, but AI work better when your English is better. To get high quality results from AI, you must provide clear instructions like prompt to the AI. If you are not good in English, then how you will be able to provide a good prompt to AI and AI perform the tasks over a good prompt? This is known as prompting. Person with a strong English communication skill can ask better questions to the AI and explain the requirement. The person who knows English better can evaluate the AI generator responses more effectively. As AI becomes more common, communication skills become even more valuable. English gives access to global knowledge. A significant portion of research papers, technical documentation, online courses, business resources, professional certifications is available in English language. If you are not able to communicate in English language, then how will you access the information which is published in these kind of documents? Students who can understand and communicate in English language often gain access to learn resources earlier and more easier. Communication builds human connections. Employees hire people, not just skills. Success in career often depends on trust, collaboration, teamwork, leadership, networking. These are the human abilities that AI cannot replace, so that we can say that English is important in this AI era. AI is beneficial to you if you can communicate in English better. So that's why we can say that AI is very much important, but English is also important. How students should prepare for the future. Instead of choosing between AI and English, combine both. Learn English communication skills, speaking, listening, reading, writing, presentation skills. Learn how to use AI. These are the skills which will enhance your ability to get better jobs, and these are the abilities which will decide your future and your living standard. Prompt writing, research assistance, content drafting, productivity tools, build professional skills, critical thinking and problem solving, leadership, collaboration, and these kind of abilities are there in human beings only. AI cannot perform these kind of activities. English communication skills are not becoming less important because of AI, they are becoming more important. More importantly, you can understand that if you have good communication skills, then only you can be able to give good prompts to AI, and you can be able to judge the results of the AI. So, as a useful way to think about it is, AI can help you write messages, but it cannot build your reputation. AI can craft presentation, but AI cannot deliver it with confidence. AI can translate words, but it cannot replace human communication, leadership, and influence. Students who combine English communication skills, AI literacy will be among the strongest candidates for the future career in business and technology, education, health, internship, and many more other fields. So, in this AI era, English is very much important. If you are not learning English communication skills, then you won't be able to use the technology efficiently and accurately. So, in this AI era, English communication skills are very much important for the better and bright future.